Hey everyone, welcome to Deepika Makeup. Hope you all are doing super awesome. I'm back. So in this video I'm going to show you how I do my makeup in the mornings every day. So I'll begin this video. It's a talk through video. So I already did my skincare. A lot of you have been asking me to share my skincare routine, which is coming really soon, maybe in the next 1 or 2 months. But in brief, I already shared on my Instagram stories. If you're not following me there, please do so. It's Deepika Makeup. I'm online all the time, and I also saved everything under highlights. It's day skincare. You can check out the products I use. Today I'm going to use a couple of new products in this video. So first I'm going to start with the number 7 Airbrush FA Tinted Skin Perfector. I haven't sent this product to me to try out. I got it in the shade medium, and I read the ingredients and it says it has dimethicone, so I'm actually skipping using primer because dimethicone smooths out the skin. Let's see if this gives any coverage. So it's like this thick mousse form. The color looks actually dark, but let's see. It says it's a multitasking formula, combines the benefits of skincare with sheer coverage for a satin finish, and it's a color adjusting formula. It has vitamin A and also vitamin E. So let's see if this properly adjusts to my skin. Do you see? It's actually dark. On a daily basis, a little bit of coverage is enough for me. Something that looks like light and natural, and it does feel very smooth. It feels like I have primer on my skin. So, and also it doesn't look dark. The product itself looked dark for my skin color, but it ended up like blending into my skin, and also the color actually is not dark. And the good thing is the undertone is not pink. The undertone is also nice and warm, and it feels very light. The face feels so smooth. Even if you're using a foundation, you can use this like a primer because it actually filled out the pores. It didn't really do anything much with evening out skin tone or covering up, but the face feels very smooth. On a daily basis, this itself is enough for me because I'm going to add some powder on top. And then for my concealer, I really got excited when I got this. First Aid Beauties sent this concealer for me to try out, and this is the Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this, and people say the coverage is very similar to my OG Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and but it's a very light formula, which is the perfect blend. So I got it in the shade 4. I initially got in shade 5, but it was too dark and it was like too pink for me. So then I went ahead and got 4, which is the perfect shade, but I feel like it needs a little bit of more yellowness to it. It is slightly pink. It can be you know, covered up with some powder. So let's see. Okay, in the mornings I literally have 10 minutes to do my makeup, and I just quickly do it every day. See, my baby already started crying and I need to rush, but I have help at home, so they'll hold the baby for some time until I finish this and go. Yeah, so about the delivery, labor and delivery story, I got a few comments too. I got a few messages to share my labor and delivery story. I will do that next month, but it was like a very quick delivery. Everything went well, and the baby is doing fine. She is right now 7 weeks old, and initially it was tough, of course, with the babies. It is, but right now I think we both got into a schedule. I mean, it goes off a little bit here and there, but overall it's going fine. So that's the concealer. I really like it. It blended out very easily. The coverage is good. I won't say it's a very high coverage concealer, but it looks very natural. It doesn't look cakey. And also the best part is it is so light, it didn't settle into my fine lines here. I'm gonna set it with a powder. I'm gonna leave this and see how this goes. I will let you guys know on my Instagram story, but if you want to know, you can comment below, and I will let you know how this wore out throughout the day. But first impressions, amazing. The color is good, and also the coverage is very natural. I like it. So let's set this with the powder, and I'm just using my OG powder that I always use. This is the Lakme Absolute White Intense Wet and Dry Compact Powder. This is in the shade Beige Honey. I am actually good for setting powders for the next 1 or 2 years because I got so many backups for this powder. That's how much I love it. I'm not really looking to try anything new. I don't mind using a light foundation or a tinted moisturizer BB cream on a daily basis because this powder is kind of thick and it gives me some coverage and also mattifies my skin. And right now I don't see as much of blemishes with the combination of the tinted moisturizer and powder. Then I don't really like a flat face, so I'm actually going to add some bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Muru Muru Butter Bronzer. This is in the shade Deep, and for a daily basis this is actually really good. It's not too much like a contour. It adds like the perfect warmth to the skin. Neighbors are watching me do my makeup. I know them. Yeah, that's bronzed up. You can totally skip it. But for my blush, I'm using the Balm Instant Blush in Houndstooth. This is my everyday go-to blush. It's a very, very natural blush. It's like a pinky mauve. When I used to work, this was like my everyday blush. The formula is very intense, so I'll be very light-handed with these blushes. So yeah, and obviously I need some highlighter. No matter what product I miss, I definitely use highlighter. So this is the Wet n Wild Gold Bar highlighter. This was a limited edition highlighter, but I heard Wet n Wild is actually bringing this back along with some more shades of highlighters. So if you see this, guys, pick it up. Sorry, I didn't realize that our TV volume was too high. Oh my god, my parents, they cannot miss out on Indian news, you guys. So at that time the TV volume is on full blast. Alright, moving on to eyes. I just quickly do my eyebrows. I'm using the It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil, and this is my OG brow product. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward this, you guys, because I know you'll be bored, but on the whole, if I'm not, talking and doing my makeup, I just quickly do my makeup in less than 10 minutes every day. I just take shower, do my skincare, come downstairs, do my makeup, and I'm ready for the day. And if I'm actually testing out any makeup that day, like foundations or any lip products, I do that. But usually I don't do any eye makeup unless if I'm testing out any palettes or eyeshadows. So today also I'm gonna skip it, and that's it. My brows are done, and then I'm going to line my eyes. I'm using the NARS Larger Than Life eyeliner in Via Veneto. I just have this little deluxe size sample that I'm using up. I really like this eyeliner, you guys, but I also like my Essence eyeliner, which is $2.99. Okay. Since I messed up on my eyelid, I sometimes do this, sometimes skip it, but since today I messed up while doing my tight line, I'm going to line, and then I'm just going to take my finger and smudge this. And then finally I'm going to do my mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess mascara. All the mascaras in this range are amazing, but I like the purple tube one. So this one is the green one. For my eyelashes, I like the purple one better. And finally, for my lips, there's no standard lip color that I use on a daily basis, only because I keep testing out new lip products for the most part. So today I'm testing out the NYX Intense Butter Gloss. I heard these are very much a dupe of the new Huda Beauty vinyl lip glosses. So let's see. I don't have the Huda Beauty ones, you guys. I'm not really a gloss. So guys, that is my everyday makeup. I use less than 10 products and I do this makeup under 10 minutes. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button and also do subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my social media. I'm Deepika Makeup everywhere. Stay tuned for more videos and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.